Hello everyone, I am Biswayan and I am a mechanical engineering pass out of 2021 batch from IM Kolkata. So today I'll be speaking about some of the last month gate preparation strategies. These are not strategies, basically these are some key points that you should keep in your mind before appearing for the gate exam for the final month. So first things first, you should have completed your syllabus by now. If there are a few topics that you haven't touched upon or aren't completed, it is suggestible that you leave them out for the time being because what matters for the last month is your revision. So whatever topics you have completed for the subjects, you keep revising them, answer as many questions as possible, solve them, make mistakes, learn from mistakes, and don't repeat them for the next set of questions. Secondly, you must have opted for some test series. Uh, it is advisable that you answer a test series every day, a test every day. But even if you're not answering a test or if it isn't possible, keep solving questions every day. Nearly about 50 to 70 questions on an average you should be solving. Thirdly, two things that you should keep in mind here for the test series is even if you perform poorly, don't get disheartened because it is not the end. Introspect on your mistakes, solve them in the morning, introspect in the evening or in the afternoon. Learn from your errors. You see how could you have managed time better in a question, or it might be a small calculation mistake that you have performed that led to the question being wrong. Note it down and improve it in the next test. So, and secondly, even if you perform very well, don't get overconfident because ultimately what matters is how you perform on the final day of the gate examination. Fine. So the third point here is there is a virtual gate calculator during the gate examination that is very different from the traditional calculators that you use. So you should get accustomed to it because otherwise it would be very difficult to manage the calculations on the virtual calculator and simultaneously solve questions. It takes up a lot of time. It kills your time and then you panic in the end, leaving a lot of questions out. So it is very advisable that you get accustomed to the gate virtual calculator. There are numerous apps on the Play Store. You might download them and just play around with them. You should know how and when to use the functions that are available. Just a small example, in the traditional calculators, if you have to take out the sine of an angle, you first input sine, you first press the sine button and then you enter the angle. But in gate calculator, you first enter the angle and then you have to press the sine button. So in the gate calculator, as far as I recall, it's the sine D option. So anyway, coming to the final point about this in this video, there is it's not necessary that you study. It's not necessary, or rather it's not advisable that you study 24/7 for an examination, be it gate or be it boards. I'm sorry, not boards, be it the semester examinations. It's not necessary that you study 24/7. You should de-stress yourself out. So it's not always that you have to solve questions. You can watch series, you can just chill for some time. Okay? It's specifically speaking for students of IM. I'm sure there are a number of students who have participated in NSDC. So even we have participated in our time, and I would say even if you take out 1 or 2 hours a day, every day for NSDC, it is enough, more than enough, and rest of the time you can manage for gate and your other activities. But you should keep in mind that if you have participated in NSDC, it is your moral responsibility because you represent your college at a national level there. So it is, I won't say it is as important as gate, but it is important because it should come from within. It's your responsibility to represent your college, and it would be great if you win the contest. So yeah, this was all about it. All the best for your gate examinations, and I'm sure you all would do great. Thank you.